spaghetti squash. This one was almost £3 and I did it for 11 minutes in the microwave. I put 3 slices into it with a big knife, just so that it got through to the inner, so that it could let steam out. I actually went too far and it actually split it, so the steam came out. If you don't do that, it could explode in the microwave, so that's the reason for putting the slits in. So that's the spaghetti squash. Looks good. I'm having it with tomato sauce, mushrooms and meatballs. Meatballs, whoa. Uh-oh. It's coming back. Okay. Mushrooms. Sauce. Tomato sauce, just a canned or rather a glass jar variety. So that's my spaghetti squash, first one for this year. Just thought I'd share that. 11 minutes. It was just under £3 in the microwave. 3 slits in the top, and let it cool for a minute or two. Although I have a barbecue glove here, so you can hold it with one of these while you're scraping it out with a fork, because that's pretty much what you have to do, is scrape it with the fork. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.